The following is brought to you by the law offices of Gersowitz, Libo, and Korek.
The advice that I'd give someone who's been involved in an auto accident or any motor vehicle accident is to, first of all, make sure that they're okay or that they're going to be able to get the required medical treatment that they need to take care of themselves or their loved ones. That's the first and foremost, over and beyond thinking about any kind of litigation or any kind of claim. Now let's be realistic. When we're talking about someone who's been involved in a motor vehicle accident, we're also talking about who's going to pay the bills. And you really need to know that you have certain obligations under the law in New York State regarding submission of what we call no-fault applications. There are many deadlines that have to be met in pursuing a claim. I don't even mean a legal claim. I mean that this no-fault application usually has to be submitted within 30 days from the date of the accident. A lot of people may not know that. A lot of people don't know what no-fault is, basically. And that's separate from any kind of a lawsuit, necessarily. What it is basically making sure that your ambulance bill will be paid, making sure that your emergency room at the hospital bill will be paid, making sure that the doctors that you start to visit and get treatment from will be paid, and that they do take no fault also. So these are really important issues that only an attorney can really handle. And you shouldn't be left to the wolves. And why do I call them wolves? Insurance companies are made up of people, and they are full of compassion, the people that work at insurance companies. But a lot of times there's this institutionalization that goes along with an insurance company where it's basically a bunch of numbers, and that's how they view things. We view people as people with hearts and minds and sensitivities. Insurance companies, by necessity, have to sometimes just look at the bottom line, which is numbers. Our job is to make a connection and connect the dots between someone who's been injured in an accident and what they need to get from the insurance company, which is recompense for their injuries, but also primarily and initially to get their medical bills paid.
If you or a loved one has been injured due to negligence, please call 800-529-9997 or visit lawyertime.com. Put the team at Gersowitz, Libo, and Korek to work for you.